After you've gone through the process of closing an iPad, placing your primer and your adhesive, closed everything back up, the next thing you're going to need to do is create some form of pressure so that you can ensure that the iPad is able to adhere and cure properly. So there are these clamps out there that you can get. So there's some bigger ones, some little ones, and basically you're going to need to take them and get them all the way around your entire device. I like to place the twisty side towards the top so that I can ensure I'm clamping. But you want to get it right on the edge because if you go too deep in, you could put too much pressure on the digitizer instead of, or too much pressure on the LCD instead of the digitizer to the frame. So I like to keep it right on the edge like you can see here and just kind of twist clamp it. And you want to come all the way around the device. You need to have a lot of these so that you can ensure that you're getting on each edge of the device. And then even down here by the home button, we typically want to put one on either side so that we can ensure that the bracket is housed properly. Twist down on that one, and you go around the entire device with it so that you can ensure it is actually going to adhere properly. So normally I'll put 2 to 3 on each side and ensure that I'm getting 2 beside my home button to make sure that bracket is nice and secure. And then you would allow this device to sit for about an hour so that it can cure properly.